In today's video, we are going to show you how to buy an ETF and XTB. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and then inside the dashboard, I want you to click the My Trades in the left side area because this will open up the trading panel. On the subsections here, I want you to click the ETF and more. On the symbol, click the ETF, and if you want to search, you can do so. You can type in the name or ticker symbol of the ETF you want to buy. For example, like Vanguard, S&P, iShares, and more. In my case, I'm just gonna choose the Stocks Europe. Double click on it. This will open up a small window. Now, before buying, always check the current price, the volume, expense ratio, the currency. Make sure you're selecting the correct exchange listing. And then after selecting your ETF, click the buy option. Of course, you need to enter the amount you want to invest. Remember, in XTB, you can buy by number of shares or buy fractional shares if available in your region, and click the buy option. But of course, before you can do that, you want to make sure that your account is fully verified here in XTB. And of course, just follow the on-screen instructions. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to buy an ETF in XTB. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.